Welcome to Heat Showdown, where the wheel dictates the game and things get heated. In today's episode, we have two top-tier competitors, Head Buster 813 and Randall OG Leaf Blowerson. Yeah. So buckle up and tune in and get ready and place your bets on who you think's gonna take the cake on this episode of Heat Showdown. Yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Let's see. Leave it up to the wheel to depict the specifications. Looks like 2 night races. We're doing 2 night races. Nope. Hold that. Let's see. Do we gotta complete it? No, we do not. We don't even have to win. All we have to do is just finish the races. Alright, so for this first race, let's see if we get any bonus details. Let's see what the bonus details are. Players 1 through 3 get a bonus reward. So, how much power you got in your car now? What's your rating?
172.
172? Oh, how the tables are turning, Jay.
What's yours?
180.
What?
Just barely passed you.
Oh my. Oh, maybe I should start getting into the sweats, huh?
I'm telling you, bruh. I'm telling you. Alright. And I sent it. And you ain't received it. I see that. Alright, let's see who's gonna take the cake on this one. Until that nitro kick in. Big bottle. If only I knew how to control it. And I'm going in first person, so if I happen to side swipe you, it ain't personal. Better watch out, Jay. Better not cry. Santa Claus coming. And I don't know why. Oh yeah, I did, huh? Yep, I can't let you win. Oh yeah, I love this little V8, bro. Oh, there's definitely weight. Well, let's just say I got 2 more cylinders in you. Are you driving a manual or are you driving an automatic? Huh? It's automatic. Are you shifting gears or? Okay. Yeah, that's your problem. Manual transmission is the exact reason why I've been able to keep up with you when your car was so fast. It's not that it makes your car faster, it just, you control the gearing, so essentially, yeah, it makes your car faster. It improves efficiency. Oh, no. Yeah, oh, you know what, I was probably high RPM, that's why. Broke traction. Oh, brother. Giant knocking me into the grass mine. Jay, I can't let you win this one, bro. Saving it for that last moment. Woo, it failed so hard, bro. So miserably. All right, let's see. So, who was it that got a bonus award? 1 through 3?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
All right, so me and you both get a bonus reward. So I'm gonna spin for me first since I won. Looks like it's a wheel spin. Yep. And then you get, looks like it's a wheel spin. Sure enough. All right, so we both get a wheel spin. All right, let's see what a wheel spin's about. All right, so I'm gonna spin for me first since I won. Oh, yes. Ah, dang. You know what? I could use that too. It landed on clutch, but it didn't fully land on it. It was still slowly turning, which I definitely need a clutch, but it ended up landing on tires. So I get to upgrade my tires to 1 tier. You, however, let's see what you get.
Something trash.
You got tires as well, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and get the, oh, you know what? We have to finish this event before we can put our tires on. Winner only gets a bonus reward from this race right here. That would have been a bad race. I just sent you the invite. I almost did a 400 level race, bro. Yeah, neither of us would have got that bonus reward. But this is going to be a more moderate race because this is a level 220. The one we just did was level 200. All right, so winner only. We both got tire tier 1 upgrade. Yeah, let's see what happens next. Man, I ain't losing this race. You ain't fighting just me, you fighting the NPCs too. Now you think so? Better watch out, I think this is a one-way lane race. Oh, I'm passing. Dang, wow. I told you I ain't winning this one. You missed a whole checkpoint, huh? Yep. That's alright. Every single time I hit the nitrous, I end up wrecking, so don't feel bad. Of course, I'm hitting the nitrous again, and I know I got three areas. Oh man. Maxing out at 176. Can't go past it. My transmission won't let me go any faster. Oh yeah, I'm ghost, bro. You definitely ain't catching me on this one. I'm 50% done. You need to chill out. Get some, I would say get some traction, but I don't know, bruh. You got the best tires in the game. Well, I guess not yet, but you got to. Cops down here in the port, watch out.
Alright everyone, the hunt is on. Go get them.
The traffic. Wow. All kind of bad luck back there, huh? I stole it all.
I'm doing okay. The others lag behind. There's something about the control.
Can't send anymore.
And I finished.
And you won that one.
Yep, so I get to pick between the rewards. So
You got
I get a
all?
bonus
You
reward.
actually chasing them?
See what my bonus reward is. And you and I both get a completion reward. Nitrous duration again. Wow, so I'm about to rank that thing up to the elite one. That's crazy. And then wheel spin. So out of the two, well, let's see what we get first. Crankshaft or look at that clutch. Dang, do I want the crankshaft or do I want the clutch?
Control, I'm in pursuit again.
The suspect from before has
I don't know,
reappeared.
man.
I want all available units to back up.
Gotta stay on the offensive here.
Oh. Yeah.
I'll handle things from here. This wasn't the plan. Can we get extra help? We're about to end this. Got just the thing to get him off the road.
What's taking so damn long?
It's not really going as planned right now. How are they still driving after that? Forget my salary. I
Thanks, Doc. I really appreciate that. You gave me just enough boost. You know, I need that clutch, but I think I'm gonna go with. Dang, this a hard one because crankshaft usually comes up a lot, but we haven't seen it this entire past 3 events,
They're gone, so screw it.
which is very
See if I
crazy.
can get some race events on social media I can send you to instead.
Copy. I'll be ready if they turn up again.
I think I'm gonna risk it, bro. I'm gonna go for the crankshaft. Yep, going with the crankshaft. So you get the clutch tier 1 upgrade.